So as it looks right now, this area under here is going to be where I get my studio set up. It'll have a little bit more room than what I was working with in the other house. Pull these bikes out of here, put a little soundproofing around it. I might build out a little sound booth for recording vocals. Hello friends, Patrick here. I have a plan. I can see in my head my goal for this studio space. There's a whole lot between me and completion, and I feel like at this point I could reveal my plan, but I'm just gonna let it play out. The first thing that I need to do is all of this stuff that you see behind me needs to not be in this garage any longer. That is phase 1 of my plan, which I will begin right now.